What is the range of the average flux density used in the output equation? A 0.30 0.55 Weber per m2. B 0.30 0.50 Weber per m2. C 0.35 0.45 Weber per m2. D 0.35 0.55 Weber per m2. The correct answer is 0.35 0.55 Weber per m2. What is the efficiency for the output watt of 180? A 0.38. B 0.48. C 0.57. D 0.65. The correct answer is 0.57. What is the power factor of output watt of 90? A 0.46. B 0.51. C 0.56. D 0.62. The correct answer is 0.51. What is the ratio of power factor of the 75 watt to 750 watt motor? A 0.55 0.60. B 0.50 0.60. C 0.55 0.65. D 0.50 0.65. The correct answer is 0.55 0.65. What is the ratio of the efficiency for 75 watt to 750 watt motor? A 4:7. B 5:7. C 6:7. D 3:7. The correct answer is 5:7. What is the formula of the kVA input if the rating of the machine is given in horsepower? A kVA input horsepower 0.746 efficiency power factor. B kVA input horsepower 0.746 efficiency power factor. C kVA input horsepower 0.746 efficiency power factor. D kVA input horsepower 0.746 efficiency power factor. The correct answer is kVA input horsepower 0.746 efficiency power factor. What is the formula of the output equation of AC machines? A kVA input Q output coefficient diameter 2 length synchronous speed. B kVA input Q output coefficient diameter 2 length synchronous speed. C kVA input Q output coefficient diameter 2 length synchronous speed. D kVA input Q output coefficient diameter 2 length synchronous speed. The correct answer is kVA input Q output coefficient diameter 2 length synchronous speed. What is the formula for the output coefficient of the output equation? A output coefficient 11 winding space factor specific magnetic loading specific electric loading 10-3. B output coefficient 11 winding space factor specific magnetic loading specific electric loading 10-3. C output coefficient 11 winding space factor specific magnetic loading specific electric loading 10-3. D output coefficient 11 winding space factor specific magnetic loading specific electric loading 10-3. The correct answer is output coefficient 11 winding space factor specific magnetic loading specific electric loading 10-3. What factor does the output coefficient depend upon? A specific magnetic loading. B specific electric loading. C specific electric loading or specific magnetic loading. D specific electric loading and specific magnetic loading. The correct answer is specific electric loading. The smaller values are applicable for lower rating machines. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is true.